A lot of people think that putting the house on the market is the most important step in getting your house sold, and it's not. There are a few steps before you put it on the market or the MLS that are critical to getting the price you want and selling it as quickly as you would like to sell it. So the first step in getting your house ready to put on the market is the cleaning and preparation process. We give you, in fact, a little notebook when we list your house, and it has a checklist of everything you should be doing to get your house ready. A deep cleaning is essential. If people come in and they see switch plates that are kind of nasty with fingerprints and oil, it's a turnoff. They don't want to touch it. They wonder, what else are you not maintaining in the house? Some of the things we tell you is deep clean. The vents, the ceiling fans, your appliances, baseboards. If you need to touch up baseboards, that will give you a fresh look to the whole house. The other thing is have your HVAC guy or lady come out and service your air conditioning. Once the buyer gets an inspection on your house, they're going to look at the HVAC. So if you don't know the condition of your HVAC unit before you list, it could be a terrible surprise once that inspection is done. The buyer could come back and say, oh, your HVAC is on its last legs. It's not, cooling properly. So you want to have that done beforehand. Curb appeal is essential. As soon as they pull up, they're going to look at the exterior of your house. Are the beds mulched? Are there a lot of weeds growing? Is the lawn in need of a mowing? As soon as people walk into your house, potential buyers, they're going to look down at the flooring as they take a step in. Is your flooring in need of repair? Is it something that you could replace now and pay at closing, or replace on your own now? Because it will make a huge difference in the price that you're offered. As soon as they step through onto that flooring, which hopefully is in good condition, they're going to look at the walls. Is the paint fresh? Is it updated? Is it purple? Are they going to need to repaint after they move in? All of these things make a difference as soon as a buyer walks into your house on whether or not they're going to continue forward and or make an offer, and whether that offer is going to be something you're wanting or if it's going to be considerably lower. So if you need a checklist like this of what to fix, what to prepare for, we have that. It's very detailed, from kitchen, bath, entrance, exterior. So just let us know and we'd be happy to share that. If you're looking for recommendations for people to help you prepare your house to put it on the market, we have an extensive list of people we can refer. We have appliance repair people, we have handymen, we have electricians, etc. And the ones that are in bold type or highlighted are the ones I personally use on my houses, or that my clients have used and really recommend. If anybody on the list gets 2 complaints, then we remove them from the list, because we work by referral and we want the vendors that we recommend to also take care of our clients so that we can refer them continually.